I just found the most terrifying AI tool for dropshipping.
The woman you just saw is not real, but AI generated. Not to mention that it is widely being used to create viral UGC content. And on top of that, many people are already taking advantage of this secret golden opportunity. Let me expose how. On TikTok, type, "TikTok made me buy it," and scan through the product videos until you find a winning product. Take a screenshot of it. Go to AliExpress and upload the image. This allows you to find many suppliers selling that product. Now pick a supplier with a good rating, copy the product description, and ask ChatGPT to write a script for your product video. Head over to Hagen and sign up. Once you're in, choose a model and paste your script. Select a voiceover that you like, then click Next and Submit Video. This will help you create an effective ad for your product. Watch.
Meet the TO2 Mini Sticker Printer, your pocket-sized printing companion. Compact and lightweight, this mini Bluetooth wireless sticker printer can easily be carried in your pocket or bag.